Today we're removing the stereo from Infiniti FX series. We're going to start with our pry bar and pry the front dash panel from the dash. Many of these panels have a wood grain finish that is attached to the panel we're attempting to remove. Do not pry against the wood grain finish. We want the panel that's right behind that to release. With all these clips released, this will allow you to slightly pull the panel forward. We're going to tip the top edge down for access to several connectors here at the back. One connector here is a ribbon cable. It is very delicate, so be gentle with this one. We're going to grasp the sides of this connector along with squeeze the trigger in. This base will remove from its mount and allow the connector to release. We have a second connector here that is wire tied into a little loop and has a catch on it securing the wire bundle. And we're going to take our needle nose pliers and squeeze the tabs in on the side of this wire tie. It'll allow the tabs to make the shaft smaller, feed through the opening, and allow us to remove this connector as well. With this connector removed, we can take the front face and set it to the side. This is going to give access to 6 mounting screws for the car stereo. 3 up the left side, 1 at the car stereo, 1 at the control box, and 1 above the display. Remove the 3 screws on the right as well. We have other car stereo help on our website. See our website for help. And with these 6 mounting screws removed, you'll be able to pull the car stereo from the dash. Pull it slightly from the dash, and we're going to start at the top at the display screen. There is a connector here that you squeeze the trigger into the connector, it releases the lock, and you're able to remove it. We're going to move down to the control box above the car stereo and repeat this for these connectors. All the connectors here are keyed, so they only go back to one specific spot. There's no getting them mixed up. They will only fit one spot. Now that we've removed all the connectors from the control box, we can pull the radio slightly forward, access the antenna, and the 4 connectors here that secure the car stereo. This will allow you to remove the 4 mounting bolts and remove it from the mounts. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.